Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayi, and in today's video I would like to show you how I make my green detox juice. We're going to need 2 apples, celery, kale, ginger, 1 lime, and a tablespoon of honey. That is just to add a little bit of sweetness to the juice. Let's start. First, we need to wash all our ingredients and cut them into medium or small sizes. So if you're using a blender, for example, you don't have to chop it very small. But in this case, I'm using a juicer, so I'm going to cut mine, a little bit like on the medium size. I really want to let you guys know that I truly appreciate all of you supporting my channel, sharing my content, and leaving comments. I love your comments, so keep them coming, please. And if you're new here, you are very welcome. Consider subscribing so you can also get my notifications each time I upload a new video. In my green juice, I love using cucumber because cucumber contains 96% of water, which is so good for hydration. I also added 2 green apples. Green apple is a great source of fiber, very rich in vitamin A and C, and also very good for vision. So that's why I added some green apples. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also feel free to drop the health benefits of all the ingredients I am using to make this juice. Last time I covered the health benefits of kale. If you don't like kale, you can use spinach, so check my previous video out. Lime help promote weight loss, so I want to clear the system, in this case my system, right? So that's why I use it, and I will be making other detox juice, and I will be using lime again with other fruits and vegetables. I love ginger in my smoothies, and I love ginger in my juice. Here are some of the health benefits of ginger. Ginger helps with digestion, fights inflammation, prevents colon cancer, and cure infections. So that's why I love using ginger in my juice or even in the smoothies. You notice I added ginger last time. I just love the freshness of ginger in my juice, or even when I'm making, my delicious dishes that you need to check out. I love using ginger a lot. Now our juice is ready, and if you don't have a juicer, feel free to use a blender. It's absolutely fine. You're going to obtain the same result. We're going to need 6 apples, 3 kiwis, a piece of ginger, 1 lemon, and a little bit of honey. First, we're going to wash all the fruits and cut them into small slices. But let's look at the first ingredient, which is the green apple, and let's find out the different health benefits of green apple. Green apples are high in fiber and water, which help us to eat less and promote weight loss. They are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, antioxidants, and micronutrients, which make them great food to improve vision. They also help cleanse the liver and strengthen the immune system. They are also very good for hair and skin. But as usual, feel free to leave any health benefits of green apples that you know of. Our next ingredient is kiwi. Kiwi helps to improve digestion, helps to fight cancer, and beneficial for weight loss. To my old subscribers, thanks so much for your continuous love and support. You guys know how much I appreciate you dropping comments. I would love to hear from you. Do you love homemade apple juice? If the answer is yes, why not? Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. If you're new here and you don't want to miss out on my new recipes, kindly subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. If you are enjoying today's recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up. I love adding ginger to my smoothies or juice because ginger helps with digestion. If you don't like kiwi, it's okay to use only the green apples for this recipe. Whenever you can, I will encourage you to make your own juice. This apple juice is so easy to make. As you can see, it's only 2 ingredients, I would say. Apart from you adding a little bit of ginger and lemon, it's just the green apples and the kiwis. But like I said, if you don't like kiwis, you can just use the green apple. So easy to make. If you have a juicer, perfect. If you don't have a juicer, it's also fine. You can use your blender for this recipe. So easy, and you're going to enjoy it, especially with summer around the corner. You can make this juice yourself knowing that everything is fresh, no artificial colors. Keep it in the fridge for yourself or when you have guests over. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section your favorite juice. For this juice, I'm going to use only half of the lemon, but if you want to use the whole lemon, is fine. I added half of the lemon because lemons are good source of vitamin C and they also improve digestive health. All my ingredients are ready now to go in the juicer. If you love celery, you can add a little bit of celery as well when you are making apple juice. And as you can see, our juice is almost ready. I'm going to strain it and it will be ready to serve. After adding the lemon juice, I tasted the juice to find out if I would need to add the honey. But the juice was so sweet and there was no need for me to add the honey. Make sure you check before adding any sweetener because sometimes some of the fruits can be so sweet and there won't be any need to add any extra sweetener.